Welcome to Exam Sale. In this script we will walk through the JNCIA DevOps syllabus so you know exactly what to study and how much time to allocate. This Juniper Automation and DevOps Associate exam covers 6 domains with exact weights. REST API at 19%, Python PyS at 18%, Ansible at 18%, Junos Automation Stack and DevOps Concepts at 15%, XML and NetConf at 15%, and Data Serialization at 15%. I will summarize each domain, its difficulty and estimated study time, and explain the key skills you must master for conceptual and practical assessment items. Use these weights to prioritize studies and balance hands-on practice with conceptual review. REST API carries 19% of the exam weight and is rated medium difficulty with about 12 hours of study recommended and a conceptual plus scenario-based assessment style. You will learn REST concepts and terminology, how HTTP methods are used in RESTful interactions, and how to interpret status codes and error handling. The domain also covers the Junos REST API Explorer interface, authentication methods, URI structure, operational mode commands, and how JSON and XML differ in REST responses. Python and Junos PyS make up 18% of the exam and are rated hard with an estimated 18 hours of learning and a mix of hands-on and conceptual assessment. You will learn the PyS architecture and installation, how to establish device connections, and how to execute RPCs and perform software upgrades programmatically. The domain emphasizes handling configuration changes with the config utility, exception management in scripts, using tables and views for data extraction, and gathering device facts and system information. Ansible also accounts for 18% and is rated medium difficulty with roughly 15 hours of study and a scenario-based assessment focus. You will learn Ansible components like the control node, inventory, and playbooks, and how Junos specific modules function for operational and configuration tasks. Expect to build YAML playbooks, manage inventory files, use variables and Jinja 2 templates, run operational checks, perform commits and rollbacks, and apply Junos configuration using the Junos config module. The Junos Automation Stack and DevOps Concepts domain is 15% of the exam, rated easy with around 8 hours of study and a conceptual plus scenario-based assessment. This section teaches DevOps principles and culture, the benefits of infrastructure as code, and the role of APIs in network automation. You will contrast imperative and declarative models, learn on-box automation features versus off-box tools, and understand the basics of CI/CD pipelines and how they apply to network change workflows. XML Management Protocol and NetConf make up 15% and are medium difficulty with about 10 hours of practice recommended and hands-on plus conceptual assessment methods. You will learn XML document structure and syntax, the Junos XML API elements and hierarchies, and the NetConf protocol layers and common operations. Expect to practice get config and edit config operations, manage configuration sessions and locking, convert CLI output to XML, and analyze RPC responses in XML format. Data serialization is the final 15% domain, rated easy with an estimated 6 hours of study and conceptual plus scenario-based assessment items. You will understand why serialization is used, master YAML syntax rules and common data structures, and analyze JSON objects and arrays. The domain also covers mapping Python data types to JSON and YAML, common serialization errors in configuration files, and using templates for configuration generation in automation workflows. That wraps up the syllabus overview for the JNCIA DevOps exam. Use the domain weights and estimated hours to build a study plan. Combine hands-on practice with concept review, and focus first on REST API, PyS, and Ansible before consolidating the automation foundations, XML and serialization topics.